Welcome. Today we'll be talking about the use of Google Classroom in the classroom. Our objectives today are first to create classes, assignments, and announcement in Google Classroom, gain an understanding of how to use Google Classroom, and to explain how to implement Google Classroom into the classroom. First, to create a class, hit the plus in the top right corner of your screen. Enter the course title, the section, and the subject. To add students, first students will need a login. Then they just need to enter the code found in two spots on the screen to be added to your classroom. Now try to create your own class and become a student in someone else's. To add assignments and announcements, you will first need to click the plus button in the bottom right screen. Then you need to choose the option of assignment or announcement. When you click announcements, this window will pop up. Type in the announcement, the topic, add a file, and when you're done, just hit post. When you click assignments, this window will pop up. Type the title of the assignment, the instructions if you want, the due date, add a file, and when you're done, just click assign. Take this time to practice creating an assignment and an announcement. To implement Google Classroom into a math classroom, teachers can use it to post homework. They can use it for a flipped classroom, so they would post videos on Google Classroom, and they can also use it for group projects. This is good for an auditory learner because with videos, auditory learners can adjust the timing and repeat anything if necessary. To implement Google Classroom into an English classroom, teachers can use it to post projects, to again post homework, and also for students to write essays. This is good for a visual learner because the teacher can correct the work on Google Classroom and a student can see where they are making their mistakes. To implement Google Classroom into a social studies classroom, the teacher can use it to post projects, both individual and group projects, and can also post references for students to reference when they are doing research projects in social studies. Take a moment to think of other ways you can use Google Classroom in the classroom. I bet you're wondering if and how Google Classroom connects to the technology standards. And it does. It connects to the following standards. Google Classroom allows students to work together on a project, which allows students to communicate and collaborate together. Google Classroom also allows for students to complete group projects, which requires students to plan and manage their time effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you implement Google Classroom into your classroom.
Created using Powtoon.